The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is entering a fascinating new stage. What once was a giant construction site is now rapidly transforming into a world-class arena, with major milestones appearing almost every single day. In today's update, another massive XXL compression ring segment rises into position. Facade installation continues to expand across multiple sectors, and construction advances from the third tier to the diamond structures, making this one of the most impressive days of progress yet. We begin today's update. Another major lift is now underway, as a massive XXL compression ring segment rises into place above Spotify Camp Nou. The rapid expansion of the compression ring over the past 3 months is becoming increasingly visible, marking one of the stadium's most important structural milestones. This is already the third segment installed today, putting the construction team within reach of matching their recent 4-lift record. As the ring extends farther around the stadium, upcoming sections are expected to become smaller, allowing the tower crane to continue working safely at greater distances. Every successful lift is another significant step toward completing the roof's primary support structure. Construction activity remains steady across the Gol Norte sector, where crews are making visible progress on the facade support system. Workers are carefully measuring the spacing between anchor points while others inspect the structural beams, ensuring every support is accurately aligned before the next installation phase begins. Elevated work platforms remain active across the area as preparations shift toward the next facade section. Although the first llamas are not expected to be installed immediately, the ongoing alignment and structural checks confirm that this sector is being fully prepared for the next stage of facade installation. As attention returns to the third tier, construction crews remain focused on the uppermost level, where work continues on the seating steps, access tunnels, and structural finishing. Scaffolding is still in place as each section is prepared for the next stage of construction. Permanent seating is expected to be installed only after the roof lifting operation is completed, allowing crews to avoid removing newly installed seats during the next major phase. The ongoing work clearly shows that preparations for the third tier are steadily moving forward. The corner between Gol Norte and Tribuna is now one of the busiest areas on site, with multiple work fronts advancing simultaneously. Inside the structural framework, dozens of workers are pushing forward on the mobility cores, while several elevated platforms remain active along the facade. At the same time, crews are applying protective coatings and completing the louvre support brackets ahead of the next phase of facade installation. Nearby, work also continues around the recently delivered escalators, reflecting the steady progress being made across this section of the stadium. Attention now shifts to the Tribuna sector, where facade installation and structural work continue to advance side by side. Several elevated platforms remain active around the ceramic facade structure, as crews continue assembling the diagonal support framework, bringing the installation of the remaining anchors and ceramic louvers another step closer. A new milestone is also visible at one of the mobility cores, where the first sandwich panels have now been installed on the upper section. Nearby, work also continues around the diamond-shaped auxiliary building, while recently treated concrete surfaces indicate that exterior finishing is steadily progressing. Behind the diamond structure, construction crews continue making steady progress, even though much of the activity remains hidden behind the scaffolding. While the lower levels appear to be the main focus, an elevated work platform can still be seen operating above, lifting materials for the next stage of installation. With equipment and construction materials already positioned across the area, this section is clearly being prepared for further structural and facade work before attention shifts toward the Gol Sud sector. One of the next major developments comes into view on the Tribuna side, where another compression ring segment is already waiting in the Gol Sud sector for its upcoming lift. As roof construction moves closer to this side of the stadium, each new installation will provide an even clearer view of the compression ring's rapid expansion. At the same time, facade support frames are returning after being removed from this section several weeks ago. Their reappearance indicates that facade installation is ready to resume, while crews continue assembling the vertical connections and applying protective finishing work to the surrounding steel structure from multiple elevated platforms. A closer look at the Gol Sud sector reveals another newly installed compression ring segment already secured into position. Although the lifting slings are still attached, most of the connection bolts are already in place, showing that the installation process is entering its final stage before work continues toward the Tribuna side. Elsewhere in this section, crews are carrying out detailed finishing work on the ceramic facade. Workers are tightening the installed llamas, applying protective coatings to the surrounding steel beams, and continuing structural work inside the mobility cores. Together, these parallel activities highlight how multiple phases of construction are advancing simultaneously across the Gol Sud sector. Further along the lateral side of the stadium, crews are concentrating on the finishing stages of the ceramic facade structure. Steel beams continue receiving protective coating while alignment guides are being installed to position the remaining anchors with precision. The nearby mobility core is also progressing steadily. Sandwich panels are now being installed using vacuum lifting equipment, allowing crews to position each panel faster and more efficiently than before. Although some structural painting and finishing work remains, this entire area is now entering its final preparation phase. Another noticeable area of progress is the diamond-shaped auxiliary building, where the exterior structure is advancing rapidly. Additional aluminum framing for the future glass facade has now been installed, while crews continue carrying out finishing work and protective coating across the structure. With each new update, this section moves another step closer to becoming one of the stadium's most complete exterior features. Over in the lateral area, fresh progress is visible around the diamond structure, where the newly cast concrete has now received its first waterproofing layer. With the protective coating already applied and cured, crews have moved directly onto the surface while formwork continues advancing around the reinforced columns. Large sections of the structure are now fully concreted, highlighting how quickly this area is moving toward its next construction phase. Nearby, work remains active inside the mobility cores, where crews continue structural finishing while preparing the remaining anchor points. Several areas are already fully painted and ready for sandwich panel installation, with completed sections clearly showing how the enclosed exterior is gradually expanding across this side of the stadium. Another visible milestone is the arrival of additional escalators, which are now positioned near the corner awaiting installation. These new units form part of the stadium's upgraded circulation system and will support the expanded VIP areas, where thousands of additional seats are expected to become available as construction continues to progress. Moving further along the lateral area, crews can be seen carrying out precision work on one of the roof support pistons, with visible sparks indicating ongoing metal fabrication or adjustment. Nearby, activity continues around the mobility core, while work also progresses across the adjacent diamond structure, where construction crews remain active on multiple fronts. Protective safety nets have also been repositioned along the facade, reflecting how work is steadily advancing section by section across this side of the stadium. The update concludes back at the Gol Norte sector, where the newly lifted compression ring segment is already being guided into its final position. Under the direction of the crane team, the massive steel box is being aligned with remarkable precision. With each new segment secured, the compression ring moves one step closer to completion, bringing another major milestone within reach. Another remarkable day of construction comes to an end, but the pace at Spotify Camp Nou shows no signs of slowing down. Which milestone impressed you the most today? The massive compression ring lifts, the rapid facade progress, or the ongoing work across the third tier and diamond structures? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next stage of this incredible transformation.